Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is part two. I made this video a couple hours ago and somebody asked me a really good question. When I cut this, I right click and I cut it. But then when you right click, there's two paste or paste and view. So I'm going to put it in paste and it's going to put it right back where it was, exactly where it was. But if you're like way over here on the page, let's even go further away where we can barely see that. You can right click and paste in view, and it's going to put it pretty much in the center of your screen. You know, if you wanted it, you know, we could go way over here and right click and paste in view. See, it's putting it in it's putting it in your view. Let's do that again. Let me, think about that. If I zoom in way over here and way over here, and I right click and paste in view, it put it in my view. Where the other one, no matter where I am on the page, if I just paste it, it put it back right where it was when I cut it. So you can Control D, Alternate C, and rotate it at 90 degrees like I did in the video, and Control D, Control D. Anyway, and just a little bit of insight, let's Control G, and before I put a circle, let's make it a six-sided star, and we're going to hit P. That's a little big, but we have to be kind of in that frame. And then we hit back minus front, you get that star. Now that's not, you probably wouldn't want to do that, but if we fill that in and then just played with it and go to the interactive fill tool, swipe across, then get the elliptical, and you could make it a little bit different looking. We could actually put blue in the center and dark on the outside, and you'd have a totally different look. But anyway, what's so cool about this, I can move that out of the way and I can still paste that one piece back where it belongs. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and it was a great question. I know about that, but I don't think I've ever shown that. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.